Okay, so for this very quick recap, you guys already know uh, I left this one running last night. Sadly, I did get stopped out, but that's okay because I actually ended up taking some late night stream or after stream trades. Now, I ended up getting this into this one at, what was it, 12? Yeah, 12 a.m. Set my TP right above this high. So I told you guys that you could have entered somewhere around here, but as you know, I didn't actually enter it that night. So I waited, and price actually ended up coming down here, tapped into this order block. I waited for like a little bit of a change in state of delivery, as you can see here. That's why I entered here, and I got my quick 1-to-1. Okay, very easy, very simple. Now, also, I want to sort of do a little bit of a replay here, and I want you guys to remember that the higher time frame was bearish. Okay, the higher time frame was bearish at that time. So even though we were bearish, you could still counter trend traded. Why? Because we're on the lower time frame, and ICT has already said that you don't need higher time frame alignment to enter trades on like the 5-minute or the 1-minute, right? All you need is some liquidity sweeps and you're good, which is exactly what we have here. All this liquidity got swept on the 5-minute, and really if you go on like the 15, right, get swept here, and price finished accumulating and manipulating down here, came up, started giving us signs of distribution, came down just slightly below the daily open, and obviously from there we ended up hitting TP, right? So that's one thing that's or at least one trade that I wanted to quickly show you. The last one that I ended up getting in was on USD JPY. So same thing here. I want to do a quick little recap. Let me go back up to the 4-hour, and again, we are essentially counter trend trading, right? We have breaks of structure towards the downside here. Okay, but what happened? Price rejected slightly, which was more than enough for me to say, let's look for some quick buys or some quick scalps. And even if it didn't give me any signs of rejection, I still would have done it regardless. Why? Because on the 15 we had what? A sweep here. Go to the 5-minute. We saw that price manipulated and sort of accumulated right under this opening line. And then, like I said, you guys could have entered here, right? But I did not enter during the stream. I waited a little bit, saw some accumulation or some orders getting accumulated here, right here. And then what happened? Price came down, tapped into this order block, swept this liquidity, waited for some extra confirmation, which I did. I got another change in state of delivery. That's when I had entered here at the close of this candle. And as you can see, quick TP. And that one I did go for a little bit of a higher RR because, and I forgot, either I forgot or I deleted it, but I actually went for this high right here, right? Normally I like to keep them at a 1-to-1, but I did want to recover from my losses from that one trade. But again, I entered it pretty late, and the only reason why I even entered this late is because I was finishing up some work for you guys. Real cool stuff coming. But yeah, I just wanted to give that quick recap. Hopefully you guys will learn from it, and I will see you guys very soon. But keep an eye out. I have some very cool stuff coming. All right, talk to you guys soon. God bless.